Hello everybody, let me show you this 50-year-old light meter. This is a Leningrad 4 made between 1968 and 1970 in the Soviet Union. It uses a selenium light sensor which has a limited lifespan, so it's pretty amazing that this one still works. Wow, I just realized it's as old as my dad. Let me show you how it works. First, using the dial on the inside, you need to select the ISO or ghost. It's a bit different from ISO, so we'll select 21 DIN, which corresponds to ISO 100. I've chosen my scene, and if I want to measure the reflected light, I point it towards the scene and it gives me a reading of 9. I select 9 on the light meter. You'll see that it gives me these exposure values. 1 over 1000 with f2.8, 1 over 500 with f4, 1 over 250 with f5.6 and so on. You choose these values depending on whether you want a shallower depth of field or if someone is moving through the frame and you want motion blur, then you will change the exposure time. But these are the exposure points that work for this scene. For simplicity, I bought a digital camera and I've set it 1 over 25th with f8 and ISO 100. This neighborhood looks so surreal. It's sunny and there are shadows on the building, so let's also measure the incident light. To measure the incident light with Leningrad, you need to take off this cap and put it here. How do you measure incident light? Well, you point it to the light source, of course, towards the sun. We get a reading of 10. I set it to 10. My exposure pair is as follows. I'll choose 1 over 125th with f11 this time. Set it to 1 over 125th with f11 and took the shot. I'll put both of the photos on the screen now. In the first shot, the light meter exposed for the entire scene. In the second shot, I measured the incident light, the sunlight. Basically, the intensity of the sunlight will reach neutral gray 18%. The shadows are significantly darker, which give this building a very interesting volume. I want to bring you high-quality educational content about photography, analog photography, digital photography, artists, and so on. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I have a ton of stuff like this at home, and I love to share my passion with you. See you in the next video. Bye!